Hi. My name is Roy and I'm back with another reaction video. So today I shall be checking out a new artist. So I previously did something by DPR Live, and so I decided to check out more from the group. I'm not really sure what to categorize DPR as, but this one is by DPR IAN. Yeah, so DPR Dream Perfect Regime. I know DPR Live, DPR IAN. Yeah, so this is DPR IAN, Scaredy Cat. So I liked what I previously heard from DPR Live. Today we're checking out DPR IAN. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, then please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more. Feel free to recommend any songs by the artist or by other artists that you would like me to check out, and I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as I can. But for today's video, let's get straight into it. This is DPR IAN, Scaredy Cat.
Joining the manhunt. The manhunt continues. Police reports discovering the horrific body.
6 years have passed by.
At the Devil's Diner.
Railroad tracks.
Witnesses say the suspect may be missing an eye.
Oh. Okay, different vibe.
I think I'm scared of all the signs. Don't ever leave me alone at night. I think I'm scared, I don't know why. Just leave the lights on and close the blinds. Scaredy cat. Please no heart attacks. Scaredy cat. Please no heart attacks. I think I'm scared, I have no time. I scream out loud just to see if I'm alive. I think I'm scared, I don't know why. So leave the lights on, I'll stay inside. Cause scaredy cat. Please no heart attacks. Because scaredy cat. Please no heart attacks. Dial 911, I'm calling from under my bed. It's hard to breathe when you're not there. I find everything a nightmare. Sometimes I know you don't care, but I feel like I'm disappearing in a hole. And nobody will know, nobody will go. Except when I'm with you, sitting in my room alone. And nobody will know, nobody will go. Except when I'm. Why does no one understand when I say I am just afraid? Why does no one lend a hand when I say I will drift away? And there are clouds in the sky, and I'm always terrified they might just rain on me. I'm losing my mind. I think I'll be alright. Just hold my hand, you'll see. I'm a scaredy cat. Please no heart attacks. I'm a scaredy cat. Please no heart attacks. I know that you think I'm a scaredy cat. Please no heart attacks. I'm a scaredy cat. Please no heart attacks.
Oh. Okay, it just ended right there. But I like this. I really like this. Okay, can't really explain. I can't find the words to explain what exactly I'm getting from the theme of the video, but I do like it. I really like it. Like, there's something about the song that resonates with me, and it's, what can I say? It's a sound that I like, and it's catchy, and I want to listen to it again. So yeah, I guess that's what I can say for what I'm getting from this song. I really like his visual and his voice. I'm surprised I haven't heard more people talking about DPR IAN in my circle. I need to put them onto this. But yeah, this was really good. I enjoyed this. So I'm gonna listen to more because I like this. The feel, the vibe that the song has, where it's like, I'm scared. Uh, Trust me, believe me. No one will believe me except for you. No one will stay with me except for you. And the way it starts out, where it's like a murder case, then the suspect is on the run. I was expecting something connecting to that at the ending, but it leaves it ambiguous. So it leaves you thinking, which is good. Bad but good. Yeah. Overall, great song. I enjoy this. I'm gonna be checking out and looking out for more. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe for more. I'll be sure to get back with more content as soon as I can. But for today's video, this is it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.